Good morning, people. It's Monday morning, and it's just gone 5:30, and I've just closed my first winning trade of the day, which actually is the only trade I need to take. As you know, all I need for a day's wages is 5 or 6 pips, well, 5 pips to be precise, net of spread. Anything else is a bonus. And as Billy TT says on his thread, any additional 5 pips he makes go towards the inevitable losers that you might make. So it's sort of credit in the bank, and I like that. I like that a lot. I never thought of it before listening to his teachings on his thread on Forex Factory. Billy TT, BILLYTT. It's very useful. Him, Claudia, and Lem are line traders, and that's what I trade: breaks and tests of old levels of support and resistance, which in my case happen to be highs and lows of candles. So here I am with an hourly chart or a 30-minute chart, and what I'm really looking for is I'm using the histogram along with the currency strength indicator, and I was looking for some sort of recent close red, because as you look at this, if you get a close red, the price will potentially do a little pullback, but I'm not interested in trading against the trend, and then it will potentially give us a scalp opportunity. The more I use this histo alert, the more it becomes important. And then when you get a change of colour, say for example on the 30-minute, literally all you have to do, and bearing in mind we've got the other indicators going on here, we've got potentially an M15 reversal to the downside there, low, high, high, low, high, 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 low, lower, high, lower, low, and close. So that red histo alert combined with my candlestick reversal, 3-candle reversal, tells me I should be looking for, watch out for a potential pullback to the north side, which is just that, a pullback against the major trend, which is down. So then all I have to do is wait for the lower time frames to come back into alignment with my higher time frames, in other words, turn from green to red on the histo, and as you can see, price has done exactly what I would expect it to do. That's the simplified version of what I do, guys, using the histo alert as it was sort of prescribed, as I've decided that these what these bars mean. This has only been on my charts recently, and as such, as you can see, price is still going down, and you know, it's reliable, it's non-repainting, it's a method. We've got a trend in place now: high, low, lower, high, lower, low, once this low was broken here. And I actually got in late to the trade because, as I said, I was distracted. Well, I didn't say, but I was distracted with reading news, which I do every morning. And where's the actual trade? That's the trade there. In fact, I do apologise, I did get in exactly the right time. I must have been looking at the 1 minute. Let's have a look. Yeah, 1 minute actually suggested getting in, that's right, here. There's the confirmation to the downside: low, high, high, low, high, 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 low, lower, high, lower, low, lower, high, lower, low, and close. So that 1 minute candle there that closed below the green level, but more importantly created the downtrend. Remember, 2 falling red candles are a trend, and I should have got in at that high there, but got in a couple of pips late because I was distracted. But as you can see, then what I did was target the H1 low, and I'm not too worried about at this time of the morning when we get a good combination of all the time frames aligning, because it will test it, but it's more than likely going to go below it because it needs to close below it in order for the H1 to be broken and create that the uptrend. Sorry, my mouse just stuck there. Low, high, higher, low, higher, high. This is an inside bar. We carry on singing the song until we get the higher high. When we fail to make a new high and we break the low of this, we can sing the song high, low, lower high and lower low. Remember, this could still turn green, this candle, so we have to wait for it to close, which it will do in exactly 20 minutes now. It's 5:40, that's the 6 a.m. candle, and as such that is why I targeted that green level. So I left a couple or 3 pips on the table. This was a 6 pip trade, and you know, this time of day is fantastic for trading because I call it my grinding period. I noticed on H4 this was actually starting to turn green. It's not now, but it was green, and that makes a lot of sense because we're actually breaking, or we know we broke actually, I do apologise, in the previous H4 candle, a massive downtrend. But the test had taken place already. If I move that over, you can see that too. We broke the low of this one, and it's come back and tested this area of support and resistance. So sorry, we didn't break the low of that one, I do apologise. We are into the wick of this one. We are breaking the low as we speak, but that doesn't matter. That's neither here nor there. The reversal was at this point here, this candle here. Low, high, higher, low, higher, high, high, low. Keep singing the song until the low of that penultimate candle there, the one before the ultimate high, is broken and closed below. Here it is. That's what caused that potential pullback, that little wick there, and now we're just continuing on down because it's the grinding period. Now I wouldn't be surprised if this does do a quite substantial pullback, and then maybe continue on, or maybe just continue on down anyway. So because remember, this is a reversal to the downside. They happen quite rarely. When they happen, take a lot of notice of what's going on. So that's it, first trade of the day. Very nice and relaxed. I like to be out of my trades well before the turn of the hour, and we've got 20 minutes to go till the end of, 18 minutes now to the end of this hour and 6 a.m. and another good trade in my opinion. So remember guys, just look for those signals. I mean, you can draw all your levels in. I don't draw them every day now because I'm becoming more and more happy with using this. So that's why I've said numerous times on videos, study this thing along with the 3 candle reversal, which is what my channel is all about, to be honest with you. Study it carefully because it has masses to offer with pure price action on candles. You know, you need to learn a few candlestick patterns, engulfing patterns, outside bars and stuff like that, pin bars and whatnot. That's all over the internet. It's nothing new, nothing special. And then study what I talk about, breaks and closes below levels. There's a trend here, low, high, higher, low, higher, high. You know, use the common sense with the 8-hourly EMA as well. We're bouncing off the 8-hourly EMA, and in this instance all we needed to do was close below that to be a valid reversal to the downside. That was the close there, tiny little pullback here, and then a continuation to obvious levels, and in this instance S1 was a clear level below us. Again, this is more important when you're extreme lows. You need to know what's on the left hand side of you. My left hand side candle was this H1. That was my target. That was, I've explained the reasons I like the look of it. And incidentally, we had reversed to the downside. No, actually we hadn't. This was the uptrend on this M30 chart. Low, high, higher, low, higher, high. These are all inside bars or bad bars, as it were. Keep singing the song until you make a new high, and these didn't. And then high, low, lower, high, lower, low, and keep singing the song until you break and close below the M30 reversal level. And that's that. So thank you for watching. Have a good day.